This is a StarMat non-powered overlay mattress system. The StarMat overlay is a 4-section therapeutic air adjustable mattress overlay featuring 100 air cells per section, and it does have 4 different sections combining a total of 720 air cells in an entire Star mattress overlay system. The full mattress system will inflate and deflate automatically, dispersing pressure over the entire body area, reducing pressure below 32 millimeters of mercury. There is no control unit, so it is non-powered, meaning no adjustments, no controls, no buttons, and it is cost efficient with the low maintenance. It is easy to set up. It does have a 500-pound weight capacity, and it is very quiet while in operation. It is portable, lightweight, and is easily transferable. You do not have to worry in cases of power outages due to the fact that it is non-powered. So if you did have a power outage, it would still stay inflated. The full mattress system is 19.25 inches long by 33.5 inches wide and a total inches of 4 inches high. And that's each section. All 4 sections combined will make a mattress size of 33.5 inches by 75 inches. The top sheet is vapor permeable for low shear. The mattress weighs approximately 32 pounds. It is possible for one of the mattress sections to deflate while the other ones stay inflated. They are inflated individually with your hand pump. So we will begin. Easy setup. First thing what you want to do when having a star mat and star cushion is lay over your 4 sections across the surface area of the mattress, starting from the head section moving down towards the foot section. There will be snap buttons in place in between each section for you to snap each section together. It is easier to snap and position each section together prior to inflating the entire mattress overlay system. So on the first part, we will take one of our sections and move it over, aligning it with the head section. And we will continue to do the same motion with all 4 sections, making sure we do snap each section together with the buttons that are in between. Make sure they're firmly snapped together. As you can see, there will be a button here and a button on this section as well. There will be 4 buttons across each side. Make sure to snap all 4 buttons into place. Once you have all 4 sections snapped together, then you may start to inflate your Star mattress overlay system with your StarMat overlay hand pump. As you can see, on this side of your section of each StarMat overlay, you do have an inflate valve. There are valves located on each side of your StarMat overlay section. What you would like to do before beginning inflation is make sure you walk along one side or the other side, making sure that you would turn each of the valves clockwise to make sure they are sealed, or counterclockwise to make sure they are open. So we will, along one side, close all our valve sections by turning them clockwise. Make sure to just turn the valve till it just stops. because there is a rubber gasket at the bottom of the valve. If you overturn the valve, you may break the seal gasket and it may leak out the valve area. So right now we have currently made sure all of the valves are closed on one side of our StarMat overlay sections, and we will begin to inflate from the opposite side, one section at a time. Your star cushion hand pump does swivel so that you may attach, inflate, close your valve without letting any air escape while inflating your StarMat overlay system section. We will extend the rubber hose. Make sure we open the valve by opening it counterclockwise. Push the rubber hose end onto the valve and then begin to inflate. Once again, inflation is based on patient comfort level, but you do want to make sure that each section is inflated fully. Once it is firmly inflated and fully inflated, you can turn your valve closed prior to removing the hose section from your valve, as to prevent any air from escaping that you have just inflated into your StarMat overlay section. We will continue the same process with the other three sections. Once you have all four sections fully inflated, and make sure that all the valves are closed as to prevent any air from leaking, you may then begin to cover your Star Mattress overlay system with your top sheet, which will completely cover the StarMat overlay and your standard regular spring mattress. As we said, your top sheet is quilted and oversized for low shear barrier against moisture complications. So as you can see, your top sheet completely covers your Star Mattress overlay system and your regular mattress. If your top sheet did get soiled, you may use a mild soap and water solution. Spray down your top sheet, wipe it with a damp cloth, dry it with a dry cloth. Do not use any bleach or ammonia. Do not place any linens on the top sheet till it's completely dry. As well as your top sheet may be laundered on a regular setting with a mild soap and water solution, no bleach or ammonia, and you may dry it on a low setting in your dryer. Do not permit any patients to lay directly on top of the cells if your top sheet is being cleaned. It is possible for repairs if any sharp objects were to puncture any of the individual air cells on any one of the sections, then that particular section with the puncture would deflate. You will need to contact Advocare Systems so they may come out and either repair that section of your StarMat overlay, or as well switch out your StarMat overlay section completely. Please keep sharp objects away as to not puncture any air cells. As well as the rubber is a neoprene rubber, which is also flame retardant. If you did experience that one of your sections did deflate and it was not due to a puncture or hole of any type of that section, it may have just deflated due to weight and pressure. And what you may need to do to repair is to re-inflate that particular section with your hand pump as shown previously on your initial setup. So over time, if a StarMat section does decrease or start to lose the amount of air that is held within, simply re-inflate with your hand pump.